Bye-bye, orphanage. Slowly, almost there. In Belize.
Sir, I don't know.
What are you looking at, you idiot? Go get Felici.
You know, I'm having a little bit of trouble knowing which direction.
No! Victor, can you help me? Huh. Stop. Stop doing your grumpy face.
I'm not. I'm just a little bit hurt that you are, I don't know, escaping without me.
Escaping? Me? No, I was just looking at the spectacular view.
Because, you know, you wouldn't last more than 5 minutes out there without me. Don't start. You know how this ends.
We arrived at the same time and we'll escape at the same time. I promise.
Okay.
Hey, Victor!
Oh no, here we go.
This is the last time.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, and let it go. You go to your room.
Thank you. Thank you, Mother Superior.
Go to your room.
And may I just say that you were looking very
Enough.
superior today.
Enough! Oh, Felicity, I know you have this dream of being a dancer. We all know it, but all the world has a dream. But get this into your head. Dreams are not reality. Dreams are buried because life is hard, brutal, and without pity. But agreed? Agreed.
Dance school in Paris, little lady. The operatic alley full of dancers and dames.
Where did you find this?
I have my sources. Okay, enough.
Can I see it again?
No.
Please.
No. But if you escape with me tonight, you have my word. I will take you to this dance school, and you will become the greatest dancer, and I will become the greatest inventor ever.
Do you have a plan?
A brilliant plan. A plan worthy of my total other unquestionable genius.
Let me see.
After you
Now.
escape. No.
Now.
I said
Now.
after.
Now.
After.
Oh. Dance school in Paris.
Shh, it's me. Come on.
Oh my.
Is it chicken part of your brilliant plan?
Affirmative.
Great.
I'm taking this pitiful deserter to Mother Superior. Okay, sister.
That was your best ever plan? You're a terrible thinker.
For the last 3 months, I have been studying chickens. I know how they eat. I know how they walk. I know how they lay an egg. There is nothing about chicken that I do not know. Ta-da! I call them chicken wings.
Chickens don't fly.
They have wings. They must fly. You fly, don't you? Uh-oh. Goodbye. sunshine?
When's the last time you brushed your teeth? Can't see where we are. Relax. We're in Paris. Quiet. Don't get caught. Not another noise.
That was me. It's incredible!
Paris is amazing. So where's the dance school?
Relax, easy. Enjoy Paris. Breathe that in. Hi there. Love your mustache, monsieur. Ah, yes. Paris, city of romance, city of dreams, city of fame, fortune, city of lampposts, city of pigeons. Did I say romance?
Yes, you did. Now where's dance school?
I don't know.
Don't worry. We're a team. We'll find it together. It was stupid to come to Paris.
We should never give up on our dreams.
We're kids. We're all alone. Was I really crazy everything to be a dancer? What do you think? Victor? I said, Victor?
I'm okay.
Come back!
I can't swim. Maybe on this